Hey, I'm Bruce, and we're gonna cook the perfect comfort food for a cold winter night, corn and chicken soup. Wash 4 pieces of bone-in chicken thighs. Use your fingers to check the position of the bone, and use a sharp knife to carve it out. This step takes some patience, and if you're clumsy like I am, it's okay to leave some meat on the bones. It's not like anyone is watching. The bones will be used for the stock. Bring a pot of water to boil and drop in the bones. 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, 1 green onion, and 5 slices of ginger. Now you can just turn the heat to medium-low and let it bubble for at least half an hour. Let's heat up a pan and put in the chicken thigh skin size down. No oil needed. This step is to render out the excessive fat from the skin and give it a beautiful golden color. Let it sear in the medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. While the thighs are cooking, we can use the time to prepare the veggies. Cut 2 corn on the cob into 1-inch segments. Apparently, I'm no expert in this area, it always gets messy. Drop a comment down below if you have some tips about cutting the corn to share. Slice 5 mushrooms. Mostly I use shiitake mushrooms for this recipe, but the grocery store downstairs sells them for $18 per pound. Oh, San Francisco. When the chicken skin turns crispy and looks like this, you can take the thigh out and cut into 1-inch cubes. Sauté the mushrooms in the chicken fat for about 2 minutes. Then add the chicken back to the pan. Keep stirring until there's no pink on the meat anymore. Season with salt. By now the chicken stock should be boiling for about half an hour. You can keep going at it for a few more hours, or you can cheat a little bit like me and add 1.5 cups of chicken stock from grocery store. Add the chicken thigh and mushrooms into the soup. And add the corn. Turn the heat to medium and let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Season soup with half a tablespoon of white pepper. You can go easy on it, but for me, the extra heat from the white pepper is a bad thing that can happen in a cold winter night. Taste the soup to decide if you want more salt in it. Add some chopped green onions, and you'll have this delicious soup that can go with rice, udon noodles, or even dip garlic bread in. The flavor of the corn is so sweet and rich, you'll come back and thank me. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I have new recipes coming up every 1 to 2 weeks. Enjoy!